long pants. So next is, okay, I still have more. Long sleeve again. Cute dress, I love it. So for this dress, oh, by the way, this is my outfit today. And for this dress, I'm going to try on the right back. So this is the dress, and then I'm gonna show you walking with this. But then first, I'm going to finish the unboxing, then we can make a walking video with this outfit. Okay, I don't see the brand. It's Camel. And this one is $100. So, but I don't see the brand. The brand is Camel. Oh my god, so beautiful, strong. Quality is really good. This is $100 and it's Camel. Well, I don't know the brand, but it looks strong, very good quality. So I have to try on this one. I'm gonna show you first. This is not mine. This is also for my girl. For my anakshi, for my daughter. And let's see. Very strong one. Size 37. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I love the fitting. I have allowance of the shoes for my feet too. It's cute. I love this one. Comfortable, so there's an option to buy Nike or this one, so I told her to buy this because I have Nike and I don't really like the fitting because the kind of here, the tip toe is kind of fit and our feet is like spreading, so it's wide, so it's very slim for the Nike here and it's kind of uncomfortable, but depends also of course it depends the figure or the looks, but this is how it looks like. Oh my god, so cute, lovely. everybody. So, okay, I'm done walking with this. So I'm gonna take off the shoes. So I'm gonna put it down. Okay, next. Oh, this is my... So I have paint of this sandal, and now it's black. Super cute. Oh, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna put this down. Only the strap is kind of loose. Yeah. That's all for now, everyone, and I hope you like our unboxing videos. And then I did not try on some of the clothing because it's just long sleeve. So this is for my kind of school outfit. So that's all for now, and I see you next video. Love you all.